Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the display ready and opening Messenger. Unlock your device, make sure the screen timeout and brightness let you see incoming video, and open the Messenger app. Once in, navigate to Calls or open the specific chat and tap the call icon. When permissions pop up, allow camera and microphone so full video and audio work. This is essential because denied permissions block the call starting process. After granting, the call initiation proceeds immediately. Once the call starts, you control how it appears on the display. Select video or audio depending on whether you need visuals, and switch between front and rear cameras to show yourself or an object. Make sure to toggle speaker and mute to manage audio. Pin the important participant so their video stays large. If content needs landscape, unlock rotation or lock to landscape for a 16:9 view. These choices determine clarity and focus for everyone on the call. To finish, tap the red End Call button and optionally save any screenshots or notes. Before ending, check that video and audio quality stayed acceptable. If not, switch from Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa to improve bandwidth. Make sure battery saver or low power mode isn't limiting camera use. If the call fails, restart the Messenger app, recheck camera/microphone permissions, and reboot the device as a key troubleshooting step. This often clears stuck permissions or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.